The Fafrees FM8 Pro is a premium mid-drive electric bike built for riders who value performance, comfort, and intelligent technology in one sleek urban commuter. Designed with a refined blend of power, efficiency, and style, this 27.5-inch e-bike is ideal for long-distance rides, city commutes, and weekend adventures. At the core of the FM8 Pro lies the ANANDA M60 mid-drive motor, delivering up to 70 Nm of torque and a peak speed of 25 km per hour. Unlike hub motors, the mid-drive system works in harmony with the bike's Shimano 9-speed gearset to provide smoother, more natural pedaling. This results in higher energy efficiency and load balancing, letting you climb hills, accelerate in traffic, or enjoy extended rides with ease and confidence. The torque sensor built into the motor adds precision by instantly adjusting power delivery based on your pedaling force, making every ride feel responsive and intuitive. Powering your journey is a sleek, integrated 36V 14.5Ah battery. The lockable and removable design allows for easy charging both on and off the frame. With this efficient battery and motor combo, you can expect a riding range of 100 to 120 kilometers on a single charge, more than enough for daily commutes and weekend escapes. The embedded design keeps the bike's aesthetic clean while maintaining its low center of gravity for stable handling. A full-color LCD display sits mid-mounted on the handlebars, offering a clear view of your speed, assist level, battery status, and more. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to sync your smartphone via a dedicated app to track your rides, access diagnostics, and control bike functions. There's even a USB charging port hidden in the display housing, so you can power up your phone on the go. For optimal comfort across varied terrain, the FM8 Pro features a hydraulic suspension fork with 100 mm of travel and a lockout function. Whether you're on smooth tarmac or cobblestone streets, you can tailor the suspension to suit the conditions. Combined with the CST 27.5 inches by 2.25 inches anti-slip tires, the bike ensures excellent traction and shock absorption, promoting confidence and control at every turn. Braking is handled by a Tektro hydraulic disc system with 160 mm rotors. Known for their smooth actuation and powerful stopping ability, these brakes significantly shorten stopping distances, even in wet or uneven conditions, enhancing both safety and riding precision. The Shimano Altus 9-speed drivetrain adds to the FM8 Pro's adaptability, allowing riders to easily switch gears depending on the terrain. Whether you're climbing, cruising, or descending, gear changes are responsive and seamless, helping to conserve battery and optimize pedaling effort. Function meets form with the custom rear rack, elegantly integrated with the rear fender for both utility and style. With its internal steel reinforcement, the rack is perfect for carrying groceries, gear, or panniers without compromising balance or comfort. Riders will also appreciate details like the ergonomic leather saddle, front and rear STVZO-compliant lights, and internal cable routing that keeps the frame tidy and low maintenance. From its precise power delivery and long-range capabilities to its thoughtful ergonomics and tech-savvy features, the Fafrees FM8 Pro is an urban commuter's dream and a long-distance rider's reliable companion. Whether you're navigating city traffic or gliding down a country road, this electric bike delivers a refined and empowering riding experience every time.